Now, this segment is for all of you sneakerheads watching today. One of the biggest things that we're all afraid of course, is rain and dirt hitting our shoes. For this segment, we will be talking about how you can protect your sneakers, store them properly, and maintain them so that they keep that really cool mint condition. On the show today, we have Bill Castañeda, President of Crep Protect Philippines. Thanks for being on the show, Bill.
Thank you.
So, maybe we can start with the basics. How does rain damage sneakers? How could it potentially ruin the materials and all that stuff?
In the country, we all know it rains like 6 months in a year. So one of the biggest problems is that our rainwater isn't that clean. There comes mud, floods, and everything. So all of that can affect everything, our lifestyle for the rainy season. So that's why we have the products for that particular reason.
How can you use products like this one to be able to protect it? Example, when it's starting to rain here in the Philippines.
One of our products is the Crep Protect Spray. So it uses a proprietary blend of nanotechnology. So it creates an invisible barrier on your footwear. So technically, liquids and stains wouldn't contact the material of your shoes.
So that one can protect it from all kinds of liquids?
Yes, so all types of liquids and, mud. The thing is, if you put something as thick as mud on your shoes, once you treated it with Crep Protect, all you have to do is run water through it and it'll naturally flow away.
The mud that sticks to your shoe. One question I think a lot of people, so to those who are familiar with sprays like this one, I think what they do is that they don't properly use it. Kasi they just spray it and then they walk out. Yeah. Is there a right way to be able to use sprays like this one?
Yeah, all you have to do is put one coat. If it's the first time for the pair, you put 2 coats on it, 10 minutes in between.
Interval.
Yeah, interval. But if you treated it previously, all you need is one spray, then you go out. You don't have to saturate it because eventually it will repel itself. So you're just wasting the spray. So that's one thing also, because people can use one can and one pair, but you're just wasting it.
That's just crazy.
Yeah, it's a waste. Because one can treat around 10 to 12 pairs. So this one right here, this is suede, the material. So rainy season.
Very prone to damage.
So if you can see it there.
Oh, wow.
It
so it literally bounces off.
Yeah. And you can settle maybe some droplets there. You'll see it'll bead. So
that just has one coating, no?
yeah, that has one coating.
So sakto, especially for people who love sneakers and love their footwear in this rainy season here in the Philippines, there is a way for you guys to be able to protect your footwear with this one. Again, Crep Protect, Ultimate Rain Shine Protection.
This one is our protector, and these are our cleaners. So we have the Crep Cure for general cleaning, we have the wipes for quick cleaning, and we have this special eraser for suede and nubuck. So it makes these are for quick cleaning, so it makes everything easier. No mess, no water, and everything.
Just rip, get and then wipe.
Just wipe. This one, you need a basin of water. For white shoes, usually we recommend distilled water, using distilled water, because if you use tap water, there might be some minerals which causes the yellowish stain on your triple whites. So people may say they blame the product or something, but
it's actually the water that they used. Yeah. Okay, that's interesting. Now, a lot of people, of course, who are sneakerheads that are watching are also curious what's the best way to properly store your sneakers, mainly because they want to preserve, that feeling, that freshness of the sneaker. I see that you guys have like a box here. Maybe you can talk more about this one.
This one's our Crep crates. So if you get it in a box, there's two crates in one box. It's dust proof, can carry up to 100 kilograms. It fits until shoe size 13. So we recommend using this one. You can just stack it away until 50, 100 pairs.
So if you're a collector, it looks nice in your house.
Yeah, it looks nice in your house when it's all stacked up. And then we also recommend putting one of the Crep pills in it. This one is a shoe freshener. It also takes away the moisture from the sneakers.
So issues on mold and all that stuff can be taken care of this one. So the complete solution allows you to be able to take care of your sneakers, protect them from rain, clean them up regularly, and of course, store them properly.
So I call it the ultimate in sneaker care. Within the year, we'll be having another limited edition ultimate pack. We'll also be having shoe trees within the year, and we'll be having some crepe laces also.
So everything but the sneaker.
Everything but sneaker.
Okay, on that note, thank you for being on the show, Bill. To all of you sneakerheads watching today, again, remember, you should be able to preserve the quality and the freshness of your pairs as long as you properly take care of them.